let's take a look at how to switch on and off the parking brake on the Dodge Hornet. So the first thing I'll say is if you park on a hill, then the parking brake will generally automatically engage. You might have a little trouble figuring out how to switch it off again. So you can see I'm parked on a hill and it says brake over in the corner there, indicating that it's on. How do we turn it back off? Well, we go to this little button here in the middle, kind of to the right of the shifter. Make sure you've got your foot on the brake, and then you're gonna press this down, and that's gonna switch off our parking brake. And now we're able to proceed in the car. Now, what if we wanna switch the parking brake on and it doesn't come on automatically? Say we park on a slight incline, or we just wanna have the security of switching on that parking brake. Well, we're gonna pull it up towards us. And you can see when that little light comes on here, that means the parking brake is engaged. If you look over at the instrument cluster, that brake is on. So that's how we control the parking brake on the Dodge Hornet.